Your FLOMEC meter equipped with Q9 display contains a digital 6-digit register with 2 function buttons. When your meter is in normal operation, the display will show the accumulative total flow of fluid through your installation. The total button can be pressed to switch between viewing the accumulative total flow and a resettable batch total flow. To reset the batch total, press the total button until the meter displays batch total. Then press and hold the total button for 3 seconds to reset. The rate button can be pressed to view a live flow rate of fluid through your installation in either feet per second or gallons per minute by default. Press the rate button to switch between feet per second or gallons per minute. To change your meter's units from gallons to liters, press the total button to display a total. Then hold the rate button and press the total button to change units from gallons to liters. This feature is only available if the meter is set to the default pin of 0000. To change your meter's default settings, start by pressing and holding the total and rate buttons for 3 seconds to enter the configuration menu. Once you have entered the configuration menu, enter your PIN by using the total button to select the active digit and the rate button to increment the active digit. If you have not already manually set a PIN on your meter, the default PIN is 0000. When you have selected your PIN, confirm it by holding the total button, then pressing the rate button. The meter will then ask if you want to change your PIN. To change your PIN, press the rate button to select yes, then press the total button to confirm. Enter your new PIN by using the total button to select the active digit and the rate button to increment the active digit. When you have selected your new PIN, continue to the next menu by holding the total button, then pressing the rate button. Otherwise, if you do not want to change your PIN, press the rate button to select no, then press the total button to confirm your selection. The meter will then prompt you to select your volume unit of choice. You can cycle through the available options by pressing the rate button. Options include gallons, imperial gallons, acre feet, quarts, ounces, liters, milliliters, cubic meters, cubic centimeters, cubic feet, barrels, and custom units. Confirm the selection of your desired volume unit by pressing the total button. If custom units are selected, you will be able to create a custom 3-character alphanumeric name for your custom unit. After selecting custom units, use the total button to select the active digit and the rate button to increment the active digit. Hold the total button and press the rate button simultaneously to confirm your selection. Then you will be prompted to field calibrate the meter to complete the custom unit selection. For detailed instructions on how to field calibrate your meter, you can watch our Q9 display field calibration video or reference the Q9 Owner's Manual. Next, the meter will prompt you to select your time period for flow rate measurement. You can select per minute, per second, per day, or per hour by pressing the rate button. Confirm your selection by pressing the total button. Next, the meter will prompt you to enter the Advanced Options menu. Select either yes or no by pressing the rate button. Confirm your selection by pressing the total button. If you select no, you will return to the PIN reset menu, and you can cycle through the menu again or save and exit to return to normal operation. At any time, you can exit the configuration menu by holding the rate and total buttons for 3 seconds. When exiting the configuration menu, the meter will prompt you to save, whether changes have been made or not. Select yes with the rate button if you wish to save changes. Select No if you do not wish to save changes. Press the total button twice to confirm your selection and return to normal operation. If you select Yes at the Advanced Options menu, you will be able to factory reset the meter. Press the Rate button to select Yes to reset or No to maintain existing settings. Then confirm your selection by pressing the Total button. If you want to reset the meter, select Yes, then hold the Rate and Total buttons for 3 seconds to exit the configuration menu. The meter will ask you to save. Press the Total button twice to save and complete the factory reset. The meter will display Pass Config to indicate a successful factory reset. Press either the Rate or Total button to return to normal operation. Factory resetting the meter will not reset your PIN. To reset your PIN, you will need to do so at the PIN Reset menu. If you choose not to reset the meter, next you will be prompted to select your screen refresh rate in seconds. Use the Total button to select the active digit and the Rate button to increment the active digit from a minimum of 1 second per refresh to a maximum of 1 refresh every 99 seconds. Hold the Total button, then press the Rate button to confirm your selection. Next, the meter will prompt you to select a low-frequency cutoff. This will enter a minimum allowed pulse input frequency to filter out any low-frequency input pulses which can be generated when the meter is subject to mechanical vibrations. These vibrations could cause the totalizer to add phantom volume to the displayed totalization values. To select a low-frequency cutoff value between 0 and 255 Hz, use the Total button to select the active digit and the Rate button to increment the active digit. Hold the Total button, then press the Rate button to confirm your selection. Next, the meter will prompt you to select a field calibration method. Press the Rate button to select between Factory Calibration, K-Factor Entry, Percentage Adjust, and Dispense Display. Use the Rate button to select your desired field calibration method and press the Total button to confirm your selection. If no field calibration is desired, select Factory Calibration. For detailed instructions on how to field calibrate your meter, you can watch our Q9 display field calibration video or reference the Q9 Owner's Manual. Next, press the Total button to advance to the next menu. The meter will prompt you to enter the units of measure for the inner diameter of your pipe. Press the Rate button to select between inches and millimeters. Press the Total button to confirm your selection. Then you can enter the inner diameter of your pipe in the unit selected. Press the Rate button to move the floating decimal to the desired location. Then press the Total button to confirm the selection. Next, press the Total button to select the active digit and the Rate button to increment the active digit. Hold the Total button, then press the Rate button to confirm your entry. If a daughter board that provides a pulse output is attached to the Q9, the next menu will allow you to linearize and scale the output. Press the Rate button to move the floating decimal to the desired location. Then use the Total button to confirm the selection. Next, press the Total button to select the active digit and the Rate button to increment the active digit. Hold the Total button, then press the Rate button to confirm your entry. If the Confirm Scaled Output allows for it, the Q9 will then prompt you to select a pulse width. Press the Rate button to toggle between default, 10 milliseconds, 25 milliseconds, 50 milliseconds, 75 milliseconds, and 100 milliseconds. Press the Total button to confirm your selection. If a daughter board that provides a 4 to 20 milliamp output is attached to the Q9, the next set of menus will allow you to set the 0, the 4 milliamp set point, and the span, the 20 milliamp set point. Press the rate button to move the floating decimal to the desired location. Then press the total button to confirm the selection. For each of these, use the total button to select the active digit and the rate button to increment the active digit. Hold the total button, then press the rate button to confirm your entry. If you have any questions, you can call our support line and speak to a USA-based product support representative in our factory that will assist you with installation, maintenance, repair, and warranty questions. This responsive live service is our legacy and our commitment to you. Thank you for choosing FLOMEC.